What if Mitsubishi stopped using a paint job and a badge to call its hatchback different? That's the cheeky starting point for a creative reimagining that turns the current Colt, essentially a rebadged Renault Clio, into something with genuine Mitsubishi identity. A digital artist took the bones of the Clio and grafted on styling cues from Mitsubishi's more characterful models, and the result shows how a little design bravery could give this small hatch real personality. The present-day Colt is perfectly competent but forgettable. Same platform, similar proportions, same basic silhouette as the Clio introduced in mid-2023. What the render does is answer a question many drivers ask. If Mitsubishi had to sell a Clio derivative, why not make it unmistakably Mitsubishi? The artist leaned into elements from the Eclipse Cross. Think a more dramatic grille, tighter LED signatures, and a sculpted hood, and the effect is immediate. Where the Clio's busy bumper and angular motifs can feel over-engineered, the Colt with purpose in the render looks coherent and, crucially, like it belongs in Mitsubishi's family. Beyond styling, there's real product logic behind the idea. The new Clio measures up around 4,116 millimeters, about 162 inches, and rides on an upgraded CMFB understructure capable of carrying electrified powertrains. Renault's roadmap includes mild hybrid and full hybrid versions, the 1.2 TCE mild hybrid and the 1.8 E-Tech full hybrid, and whispers from Europe say a fully electric Colt could join the line by 2027. Possibly sharing bits with the R5 E-Tech and the Nissan Micra's electrified architecture. That means Mitsubishi isn't just swapping badges, it can actually claim meaningful tech and drivetrain choices if it wants to. What the render teaches automakers and marketers is that differentiation matters. Small changes, different wheel designs, unique taillight signatures, an exclusive bumper can raise perceived value and give dealers something to sell beyond a lower price tag. Mitsubishi's European strategy already leans hard on partnerships with Renault, but recent models show that subtler badge engineering, backed by clear Mitsubishi styling cues, pays off. A Colt that looks like this wouldn't just avoid blending into traffic, it would also feel like something Mitsubishi designed, not something Mitsubishi borrowed. If you're a buyer who wants character in a compact package, this hypothetical Colt is a reminder that small cars don't have to be bland. And for Mitsubishi, if you're going to sell a sibling model, at least give it a sibling face. The render doesn't change the engineering reality. The underpinnings will likely stay shared, but it does expose a low-cost way to win hearts, styling with conviction.